About 16 years ago, we released this book, our first real big book, The Anarchist Tool Chest. It's almost 16 years to the day. Not 16. 13 years ago, almost to the day, we released our first real big book in 2011, The Anarchist Tool Chest. We've had 16 printings of it, and the thing that really kind of stunk was when we made this book with this tan cover, is we were trying to make it look like a vintage text that you might find in a dusty old library or something and make it look a little mysterious. Gotta go. And but the printing plant messed it all up. So if you look at this thing, you can see there's like all the cover's not right, and they got the glue all wrong on the spine, and it was just really disappointing for us. We did a lot of work with the printing plant, and now we got them to do really good books. So this, where we're going, is we've made the 16th printing of the book, and it's going to be the last printing of this edition. This is the first edition. And so we decided to try to do this look again, one last time, to see if we could get it right. So we're going to get over to the warehouse, we'll open it up and see if we got it right or not, or if they got it right or not. The book, after we get this one sold out, which will be on sale today, but we're going to print out a new edition, a revised edition that'll be color. Some of the corrections will be made that from the construction of the chest, some improvements. Megan and I have learned how to make the chest a lot more efficiently than when I first made it. And also there will be some changes in the tool recommendations because the marketplace has changed, and of course I've changed as a woodworker in the last 13 years. Not sure when that new revised edition will be released, probably next year or early 2025 or so. All right, here we are at the warehouse. I opened the box, but I haven't opened any of the books. So here's the new one. Already it looks better. The color is different because victim of the pandemic was the people who made this cover cloth. This cover cloth does not exist anymore. So this is a little nicer, more expensive cloth, which is nice, but already I can see, there's no problems with the spine. If you look at these two spines, this one is all munged up, and this one is has been rounded properly by the machines. This one has not. So that's good. The foredge, which is the edge between the book block and the boards, is consistent. I can see there's a nice, nice rounding. They rounded the book block, and the headbands and footbands are put in correctly. This is centered, and the paper's correct, and everything looks good. So, hooray, we did it right for once, more than once. But so this will be, the last 2,000 of these will be available starting today, and then after that, new edition. So stay tuned. One last thing I forgot is that all copies that are purchased from Lost Art Press of this book and all the books that I have written will be autographed by me. So, last chance.